Welcome to Maestro Sersea's American English, Culture, and Travel podcast. Created by a California educator with more than 35 years of English language teaching experience, a love for American culture and democracy, and a passion for American road trips, this podcast helps American English learners as well as prospective visitors and immigrants a window into American language, culture, and travel destinations. Each podcast episode is dedicated to sharing lessons and insights into learning American English, understanding American culture, values, and norms, as well as virtually traveling to key destinations throughout the United States of America as a whole. Whether you wish to learn or improve your American English comprehension and communication skills, develop an understanding of the United States of America and its way of life, or become familiar with top American destinations, our weekly podcasts episodes of Maestro Sersea's American English, Culture, and Travel podcast will both educate, enlighten, and entertain you. In today's episode, we will cover the following two parts. 1. Speak America, Lesson 8, Renting an Apartment. 2. Discover America, the complete road trip and travel guide, Delaware. We hope you'll enjoy today's episode and invite you to subscribe to receive weekly episodes from us. Don't forget to also visit our official website, americanenglish.online, for numerous educational resources to help you on your learning journey. And now, are you ready to improve your knowledge and your skills? Let's begin. And now, here's Section 1, Speak America. Lesson 8. 8. Renting an apartment. Finding a home in America. Part 1. Dialogue. Dialogue. Landlord. Thanks for coming in. Are you interested in the 2-bedroom unit? Applicant. Yes. Could you tell me more about what's included in the rent? Landlord. Water and trash are included. You pay for electricity and gas separately. Applicant. Got it. Is there a lease requirement? Landlord. Yes, it's a 12-month lease with a 1-month security deposit. Applicant. Are pets allowed? I have a small dog. Landlord. We do allow pets with a $300 refundable pet deposit. Applicant. That works for me. What documents do I need to apply? Part 2. Mini Guidance Article. Mini Guidance Article. The American Rental Process Explained. Renting an apartment in the USA involves several steps: searching, applying, signing a lease, and moving in. Most landlords require a credit check, proof of income, usually pay stubs or a letter from your employer, references, and a valid ID. New immigrants may not have a credit history, but some landlords will accept a higher security deposit or a cosigner instead. The lease agreement is a legally binding contract. Read it carefully before signing. Key terms to look for include the monthly rent amount, the lease duration, rules about subletting, pet policies, parking, and the notice period required when moving out, usually 30 to 60 days. Understanding utilities is important for budgeting. Some rentals include utilities, water, electricity, gas, internet, in the rent. Others require you to set up and pay for them yourself. Always ask what is and isn't included to avoid surprise bills. If you have issues with your apartment, a broken heater, a leaky faucet, or pest problems, you have the legal right to request repairs. Submit requests in writing, email is fine, and keep records. Most states require landlords to make necessary repairs within a reasonable time frame. Part 3. Examples and tips. 5 useful examples with tips. Example 1. What's the monthly rent and what utilities are included? Tip. Always clarify the total cost of living in a unit before applying. Hidden costs add up quickly. Example 2. Is there parking available, and is it included in the rent? Tip. Parking costs vary significantly in American cities. Confirm this upfront to avoid unexpected expenses. Example 3. Can I see the lease agreement before I decide? Tip. You have every right to review a lease before signing. Never sign anything you haven't read thoroughly. Example 4. I'd like to report a maintenance issue. The heat isn't working. Tip. Report issues in writing immediately. This creates a record that protects you legally as a tenant. Example 5. When is rent due, and what payment methods do you accept? Tip. Know your due date from day 1. Late fees can be significant, and some landlords charge as early as the 2nd of the month. Okay, are you ready for some American travel information? Here's Section 2, Discover America, the complete road trip and travel guide, Delaware. Chapter 8. Delaware. The first state. Capital, Dover. Scenic Highway Highlight. Coastal Highway, DE1, a scenic corridor connecting Delaware's Atlantic beaches from Lewis to Fenwick Island, passing through charming beach towns and coastal wetlands. 1. Rehoboth Beach. About this destination. Delaware's most popular beach destination is a lively yet welcoming resort town with a classic boardwalk, excellent restaurants, a thriving LGBTQ+ community, and wide sandy beaches. Insider tips and strategies. Tip 1. Arrive early for boardwalk parking. Parking near the boardwalk fills by 9 a.m. on summer weekends. Stay within walking distance of downtown or use the free park and ride shuttle service that runs throughout summer from outlying lots. Tip 2. Eat at the Dogfish Head Brew Pub. Rehoboth is home to the original Dogfish Head Brewery location. The brew pub on Rehoboth Avenue serves creative craft beers and excellent food, a pilgrimage site for American craft beer enthusiasts. Tip 3. Shop at the Tanger Outlets tax-free. Delaware has no sales tax, making the Tanger Outlets near Rehoboth Beach a shopping destination for visitors from neighboring states. Name-brand clothing and housewares at outlet prices with zero tax is a winning combination. 2. Wilmington. About this destination. Delaware's largest city sits at the confluence of the Brandywine and Christina Rivers, offering world-class museums, the Brandywine Valley's stunning gardens, and a revitalized riverfront. Insider tips and strategies. Tip 1. Visit the Brandywine Museum of Art. Just across the Pennsylvania border but accessed easily from Wilmington, the Brandywine houses the world's largest collection of Andrew Wyeth paintings. The wildflower garden and mill setting make it enchanting in any season. Tip 2. Explore Longwood Gardens. Pierre Dupont's masterpiece garden estate is a 1,000-acre wonder of fountains, conservatories, meadows, and topiary. The illuminated fountain shows on summer evenings are magical and sell out quickly. Book online. Tip 3. Walk the Riverwalk to the Hendricks Hotel. The restored Christina Riverfront has restaurants, parks, and the beautiful Hendricks Hotel. The area transforms on weekend evenings with live music, food trucks, and a convivial atmosphere that reflects Wilmington's Renaissance. 3. Lewis and Cape Henlopen State Park. About this destination. Delaware's oldest town, founded 1631, combines charming colonial history with Cape Henlopen's stunning beach park, home to birding hotspots, World War II Fort Miles, and some of Delaware's most beautiful shoreline. Insider tips and strategies. Tip 1. Rent bikes and explore the Junction and Breakwater Trail. A 7-mile paved trail connects Lewis to Rehoboth Beach through forest and wetlands, perfect for all fitness levels. Bike rentals are available in both towns, and the trail passes beautiful ponds and marshes. Tip 2. Visit Fort Miles Historic Area. Cape Henlopen's hidden gem, a preserved World War II coastal defense complex with bunkers, guns, and a fascinating museum. Entry is included with park admission, and the bunker tour is surprisingly dramatic. Tip 3. Watch the Cape May Lewis Ferry. Even if you don't take the 85-minute ferry to New Jersey, watching the large ferries depart from the terminal is entertaining. The ferry terminal area has a nice restaurant and spectacular sunset views. Thank you for listening to this episode of Maestro Sersea's American English, Culture, and Travel Podcast. Whether you wish to learn or improve your American English comprehension and communication skills, develop an understanding of the United States of America and its way of life, or become familiar with top American destinations, our weekly podcasts episodes of Maestro Sersea's American English, Culture, and Travel Podcast will educate, enlighten, and entertain you. We encourage you to visit our AmericanEnglish.online website via our link in the description section below for additional articles, lessons, and weekly podcasts we offer, all available on our website and major streaming platforms. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to subscribe to receive the latest episodes on a regular basis. Thank you, and have a wonderful week ahead.